How do you find a good lawyer? There are good lawyers out there that will do a great job in representing people with a personal injury claim or a death claim. The million-dollar question is, how do you find them? You can talk to a friend, but that's not very reliable. They're not likely to know a lot of lawyers. You can respond to a television ad, but again, I don't think that's very reliable. Let me tell you what things that I look for and what I do when a client comes in asking for a recommendation for a lawyer in another state. The most widely recognized and oldest group out there that rates lawyers is Martindale-Hubbell, and you can find them at www.martindale.com. Martindale-Hubbell has been around for 140 years. They do their ratings by sending surveys to both lawyers and judges in the state where the lawyer's at, and based on those gives lawyers ratings of legal ability. So they rate lawyers A, B, or C, A being the best. They also rate lawyers based on ethics, and lawyers who have very high ethics are given a V rating. So what you're looking for is an AV rated lawyer, and quite frankly, I wouldn't hire any lawyer or law firm that isn't an AV rated lawyer or firm. The other service that I like is Best Lawyers in America. And you can locate that at www.bestlawyers.com. The nice thing about Best Lawyers in America is that they rate lawyers by specialty. They are very well respected. They've been around for about 20 years. A number of the large news organizations use them, ABC News, The Washington Post. What they do is they break down all the areas of practice in different categories. So you can go on Best Lawyers and you can click on Maine and then go down to, say, personal injury or, say, product liability. Product liability, someone got injured by a product, and they would have a list of lawyers that they list as the best lawyers in America. Now, in addition to those two independent rating services, I always look to see if the lawyer is board certified. Lawyers can get board certified just the way doctors get board certified. And in the area of personal injury, you would want a civil trial specialist, and that group would be the National Board of Trial Advocacy. The last thing I look for is that there are a couple of prestigious invitation-only groups that have members that are widely recognized as being outstanding in their field. A good example for a lawyer who goes to court is the International Society of Barristers. But the one that I like the best is the National Board of Trial Advocacy. And the reason why I like the National Board of Trial Advocacy is that that group is comprised of just attorneys who represent people who have been injured in accidents. And so it's a pretty small group. So for example, there's only 5 of those in the state of Maine. At Skelton, Tainter & Abbott, we have garnered all of those honors. We are an AV-rated firm. We are in Best Lawyers in America. We have attorneys here who are board certified. We have an attorney who is in the academy. In short, we're just the kind of an attorney that we're looking for in another state when we're looking for a good lawyer. When you hire Skelton, Tainter & Abbott, you can be assured that you're hiring a competent lawyer with demonstrated ability in his field. We've earned the respect of our colleagues, and our clients will earn your respect too. One final thought, and that is, in addition to having a lawyer with good credentials, you want a lawyer that you feel comfortable with, because in a personal injury case, you're likely to be working with the person for a fair amount of time. And so I think it's important to call and speak to the attorney, or even better, make an appointment with him and spend some time with him or her to make sure that you feel comfortable with that person. At Skelton, Tainter & Abbott, we'll be happy to take your call or meet with you. I hope this information has been helpful to you in finding an attorney. Good luck in your search.